First, you will need to power up your tester. Connect the power input plug into its socket, then power up the external power supply for function test, and the last one, connect your high voltage connectors L and N. No other safety equipment is required, because regarding the norm EN 50191, the tester has a limited power on 350 mJ. That means even this tester have a 20 mA current, it's a still safety tester. From the front, we will connect the other two connectors for PE measuring, then we will connect our PE probe, and after that we will connect our DUT into the circuit. Our DUT will be this light. Now let's take a look on our menu. The first column is a home, when we will start our test program. I will show you that later. The next step is a single test. Here we change principle of this measuring. We add single test. Now you can quickly find the good values which you can use in the test program. If you press start and hold, you can see the tester start measuring and looking for the good values, which then will light up as a green. The next step is a program, where we can set up our test program. As I said, I will show you that later. In the tab Config, you can find some settings, as for example set up the network, change the language, set up the users, set up the storage, and so on. In the tab User, you will set up the user. In the tab Info, you can see for example serial number, firmware version, hardware version, and if you load up the QR code, it will show you the manual. Now let's take a look on the testing. I already prepared some test programs, so I will take you step by step what I prepared. As a first step, we have Hipot DC. Here we will set up the voltage, test time, and the current. The next step is insulation resistance, where we set up the voltage, test time, and minimum resistance. As a next step, we have a ground bond. Here we set up the current, test time, and maximum and minimum resistance. As a last step, I choose a function power test. We will set up the test time, a good time, and 3 values which will be displayed on the display. As the first one, I choose a voltage, second one current, and third real power. We also have a reactive power, apparent power, and cosinus phi. Now we can go for a full test program. We will start the test. First step will be Hipot DC. The second one, insulation resistance. And third one, ground bond. For the last one, it's a function power test, and you will see our light light up. After that, you can go for the protocols and check the values. The protocols can be saved in the tester, USB, or on your server. And just like that, you can easily handle our tester and make a testing of your duties. If you want to see more of our products, make sure to visit our website at spselectronic.com. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.